Hi guys, welcome. I'm at Donut Front where they have vegan and gluten-free donuts. I have a gluten intolerance, so I can't have that much sugar, but this place has the most amazing options. I got a gluten-free donut with coconut, maple syrup, and a little bit of almond and strawberries inside, and look at the options that they have here. Amazing. So if you want to see how they taste it, stay tuned. Bye guys. So I'm taste testing the gluten-free one because I have gluten intolerance, and this one's kind of sugar-free because it has strawberries and it's maple syrup, so it's pure sugar you can find. See?
How is it? You like it? It tastes like cereal with like cinnamon, strawberry, almonds, coconut.
So for somebody like me that can't have that much sugar but still has a sweet tooth, this place is a place to be.